Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to use the Roblox Studio to make a game. So let's get started. First, install a Roblox Studio. Go to www.roblox.com, then create. Click the Start Creating and download our Roblox Studio. Then open and log in with your Roblox account. Then to create a new game, launch the Roblox Studio and choose a template. Then click the template to open your new game project and customize your world. Use the Explorer and Properties panel to control objects. Add a new parts and then go to the Home tab and click Part to add a block, sphere, wedge, and more. And here you can resize, rotate, or move parts using the Scale, Rotate, and Move tools. And add a game elements. You can insert models, go to the toolbox and search the free models like trees, cars, and more. You can also add a spawn point. In the model tab, click spawn to so the players can appear in game and add a script. Use a Lua to add a simple game logic. And test your game. You can click play or play here to try the game and make sure that your objects behave as expected, and use stop to exit the test mode. And to save and publish your game, click the file and click the publish to Roblox as, then select a create new game. Name your game and choose a genre. Then click create and make the public, just set the permission into public. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.